Hello, this is KOK Party Favors. Today, guys, we're going to be designing a sparkling juice bottle label, and we're going to be designing that label in Cricut Design Space. So, the first thing we're going to do is, and before I get started, these juice bottles are sold at Dollar Tree. They're called Martinelli's Sparkling Juice, and they come in different flavors: apple cranberry, grape. They're $1.25 each. They make really great party favors. I use them for parties and baby showers. I recently had some for a baby shower I hosted for my granddaughter. So I'm going to duplicate the actual label that I used in that design, and we're going to get started here. So we're going to first upload into our design the background. Okay, so I have it here. I already uploaded the different digital art that I needed. So we're going to add that to our canvas. Okay, and the measurements we need, the width is, sorry guys, the width is 4.5 inches wide, and the height is 2.5 inches high. Okay, so we have our background 4.5 by 2.5. The next thing we're going to upload is this frame here. And we're going to resize that. I'm just going to take it down to I think it about fits. Okay, so we'll leave that there. Next, we're going to upload the baby. And we're going to resize her. She's going to be really small. We're going to get her in this design. Okay, the next thing we want to add is some text. Okay, so I'm going to click the text button to the left here, and I'm going to put diamonds, baby shower. Okay, we're going to have to resize that as well. Okay. All right, so this is our design. Now what we're going to do now with this text, we're going to change the color of that text. Right now it's black. So first we want to change the operation. Right now it's on basic cut, which means that these letters will be cut individually. We don't want that. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to change the operation to print then cut. That's what we're going to be using, print then cut. And I'm going to go to this black box, and we're going to change the color of the letters to pink. Okay, so this is our design. Okay, now I'm going to show you something that you have to be aware of. If I were to go to make it right now and try and print this label, it will not print properly. It's going to print everything individually. You see we have the background by itself, the frame, the baby, and the letters. It will all print that way. And that's not the way we want it to print. We want it to print to where all we do is make 4 cuts and the label is ready to apply to the bottle. So we're going to cancel, and we're going to go back, and we're going to hold down the left mouse button, drag that shadow over the entire design, and then we're going to hit attach. No, I'm sorry, we're going to hit flatten. Okay, and flatten is going to kind of mold everything together in that 4.5 by 2.5 size. Okay, so if I go to make it now, all it's going to show is that everything together, one on top of the other, and that's the way it's going to print. Now I'm going to go back because there's another way you can flatten it. So I'm going to unflatten, and all our layers will come back. So this is the way that you can also flatten your layers. Instead of holding this down, holding your left mouse button down and dragging it over, you can also do it this way. Click on that first layer, you see it's highlighted. Hold your shift key down, take your left mouse button and click on every layer. Then hit flatten. So you can flatten it that way as well. Okay? Now we're going to go to make it. And we can get 3 labels on one page. Okay, so that's how we're going to print. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to print this. The next video I'm going to come back and show you exactly how I assembled the juice bottle. And that will be the end of this video. Please like, share, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.